Okay, it's getting a little dark. I don't know how well this is going to come up, but the blade's going the wrong way, and we're going to turn it around. And here's how you do that. With gloves, what you do is push it down, and twist, and that's it. We're going the other way. I don't know why they do that or how it comes. That's the way it comes from when they make it, and it's just the way the machine cuts it. They spin it around to clean it. I don't know. I'd like to know. Look, stay up there. Like so, just so you can touch the back of the wheel and the back of the blade. So that's what you want, about the same. About the same, the back of the wheel and the back of the blade. Because it's gonna stay right there. Neighbor's chickens are busy. Let's give that a couple rotations. When we start it, we're going to hear it. We'll be able to hear it. I'll put a clamp on that. No clamp. That shouldn't go too far too fast. Alright, here we go. Let's see if it's going to be a handbreaker. Pick it up a little bit. I'm just going to get her warmed up. See what the log is. $21, $22. That's nice. Not too bad. Actually, it's about 19. 20, 21. 17.5 feet long. Alright, let's set this puppy up here. Get it. Here we go. And hopefully it's not going to roll off the other side. Get some lights. Get a little more juice power, a little more juice. This isn't something you get in a hurry doing. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to see this okay. It's getting dark. It is getting dark. Oh, a little more. Well, I think we're going to have to take off the... It's going to go right on down. Don't drive away. Looks like that sucker's just going to be enough juice to get it up and set it down. When it's going down, it's going down. Still coming back. Oh, and we're out of fuel. I just filled it up. How can that be? Wow. That's as high as we can get the log. Let's see if we get it close enough to just set it on in. We were close enough. Yes, I know. There should be more people here, but I'm staying on this side. No worries. Look how close that is, folks. I think we're going to be doing too much moving this puppy around. Let's cut the noise and take a look for a second. Look and see. Look and see. No. I like the way that's setting down. It's not too bad. Yeah, I can't see this thing rolling around too much. I can see it sitting quite still. I'll show you how we'll spin it around a little bit. But what it might do, I already know that's going to need to be up. What it might do is move a little bit. So let's try it. We're going to let it out a little bit and see if it decides to do anything. No, it's not. Oh, that's nice. I wonder what's going to happen if we try and nudge that end a little bit. What would it decide to do? What would it do if we nudge it? Oh, let me put a block down there. I think I'm just going to try and pick it up a little bit. I don't think it's a good pusher. Not a good pusher. I'm not going to be able to get in there, am I? Not making it very easy, am I? Will it tip? Will it bring it up a little bit, maybe? No. Not even. Oh, but it will do it enough to nudge it over. It sure did. Let's check that. Let's check that out, folks. Wow, I'm surprised. I can't believe that. It's looking pretty good. Let's move it just another inch. Another inch. This is not even... This is just like... I can't even see it practically. One inch, not two. Okay, we hear a little noise. One. It did move. Whoa, it did move. See that? I'm happy. Let's get the rip in here. We do need the light though. I can't even see. Wow, I mean, for a log this size, it doesn't have a problem wanting to roll around at all. I don't even know. Is it going to even work? Wait, it might work. It may work. It may work. Not supposed to be out there. I got it. Not supposed to be out there. I can't see that we're going to mess with that. One thing's sure, this is... Okay, here we go. Little extra light. Ready to rip it. Definitely touching nice. Stop. Touch, touch. Can't touch the bearing. I like it. Oh, we're only 3 feet in. Maybe 4. Oh, look at all the critters. Better run, boy. I don't know if I should have used the new blade to start with. Alright, normal. Blade heat up. Let the blade cool down. Oh no. I don't try selling that, we just hit a nail. How is it? There he goes. This thing's never going to hit. It crossed 16 feet a long time ago. Yeah, we did. Horse is strong. Nice. Let's look at the blade real quick. Oh, we can't see anything. I'm going to look at it in the daylight. Tomorrow we'll look at that, see what that spark went. Where did the spark go? Let's see. This is really cool, folks. This one's never going to end here. Look at the size of that. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. All the way down. It's going and going, and look at that. Now, oh, I just felt the ripple. That knot. Booger, you got me, Booger. I'm not going to complain. That little ripple is a knot thing anyway, and it's not going to count. That worked. Look, we're going to get back in the morning. I am tired. Tired. I don't know. We missed that sunset. We'll be back tomorrow. We're going to cut this thing down. And I hope, well, you get a better look at it in the light. Peace out, folks. Good night. And thank you to all, wherever you are in the world, all the subscribers. Unbelievable. Appreciate everybody. Thank you. What it takes, folks. I think this is 21 footer. No, maybe 18. We're gonna measure and see. Just a minute. We will know what it is. Noise factor is high. $24, $25, $26, $27. It's $28. It's $28. I'm going to shave it down a little. Shave it down. Oh, look at all that mud. Well, let's overall length. And we'll start it right here so we're not too far off. It's just 20 feet. And we're going to put it up there. Right now. I don't even know if these things are going to be any good. If anything, they may need to be like that. Well, that is all we get. We have to be able to open it. So if we get that. What it takes, folks. I think this is 21 footer. No, maybe 18. We're going to measure and see. Here, just a minute. We will know what it is. there is high. And we're going to be cutting some of that nasty off. 16, 17. That's where we're going to cut, right there. Give it a little more. Because we're going to stay away from the muddy, the nasty mud stuff.